In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize sales pages on Thinkific. But first, let's rename the course so it will be different from the name of the school, in order to avoid any confusion. So let's go to Courses, Settings, and let's rename the course here. Now let's build the landing page of the course or the sales page of this course. Click on Build Landing Page. Here you can see the name of our course. This page is called in Thinkific a landing page. The same type of page at Teachable is called a sales page. In general, a sales page is a type of landing page which has only one mission: to make sales. I want to point this out so that you don't get confused. Often online course platforms use different names for the same exact things. Now, let's begin by editing the header of our course landing page, which is this part here. When you click on header, you can see that you can add a logo, and there are some other settings you can change, as in the case of the home page. So let's get back and start customizing the banner. Just to help you a bit here, you can see that it is mentioned this is the banner of the course. And here you can see the name of the course you are customizing. Let's upload a new image. Let's try this one. I think it's time to use another strategy here for finding a good photo for my meditation school. If you need photos for your schools, go to pexels.com. This is one of the best places to get beautiful images for free, and you can support the photographers by making donations. Here you can choose between some of very beautiful photos from different niches. Let's see what we can find if we type meditation. I like this one, and this one, and a couple more. As you can see, there are lots of very good pictures to choose from, and now I'll choose one for the sales page we're working on. That looks pretty good, don't you think? Let's save the changes. Now let's add a button for visitors to enroll. Rename the button here. Then here select where should the visitor be redirected after clicking this button. Let's select the checkout page. Select this course and the free plan. Cool, let's save the changes. Now let's go back and copy some text from the Teachable sales page. Add another section, which is like another block in Teachable. Again, different platforms choose different names for the same thing or option. So we need a text section. Paste the text here, and then I'll move the text section up. Let's try adding another type of section. Maybe an image gallery. Here I'm going to upload some photos I downloaded from Pexels. So at this point, I want to thank you all the photographers from Pexels for their generosity and sharing. Now upload the photos, and there you have it, a beautiful photo gallery. Even if you don't know the name of the course, you will most probably guess that this is a course linked with meditation. This is an important lesson and strategy in creating your own sales pages. Try finding photos or take photos that are transmitting the message of your course. Let's add another section, maybe a call to action section. Customize the text a bit and the enrolling button. Upload another photo, maybe this one. And when done, save the changes. Now let's check how our sales page looks on mobile. I think it looks pretty nice. Of course, this sales or landing page is far from finished, but I hope you get the idea and the steps you have to follow in order to customize a course sales page or landing page on Thinkific. So here we have the home page of our school, and here we have the course landing page. Only by looking at these images, we realize this site or school is all about meditation. Before I end this lesson, just a quick heads up. When you will be uploading photos, whether to your online course pages or your website, you have to optimize the photos and compress them as much as possible. This will highly help in shortening the page loading time when someone will open your pages. This is really important because if your site takes too much time to load, the visitors will give up pretty quick. They won't wait for your site to load, or they must be really motivated to do that. Now let me show you the tool I use for compressing all my photos I upload to my schools and websites. This is another great tool which is completely free. It's called TinyPNG. Type in Google TinyPNG and then click here, compress PNG images. Here you can drop up to 20 photos at a time with a size of maximum 5 MB each and compress them for smaller sizes. Now let's choose the photo with the biggest size. Okay, this one it has 3.4 MB. Let's drag and drop it as instructed. There you go, the photo was compressed 68% and that saved us 2 MB from the original size. Now, this may be seen as not much, but I have long sales pages on my websites that are smaller than 2 MB. And when you add all the photos on your site, it adds a lot of unnecessary weight to your site and it results in longer loading times. You can download the compressed photo here. Now, let's see if there is a lot of difference between the original photo and the compressed one. So, here's the original, and I'll switch between it and the compressed photo. You can see there is not a great difference between them, but a big difference in size. So, next time you will upload images to your website or online course platform, try optimizing the images size using TinyPNG. And that's it for this lesson. Now you should be able to customize a sales page or a landing page in Thinkific. Try customizing a landing page on Thinkific, and if you don't have images, use images from pexels.com. Before uploading the images to your school or website, try the TinyPNG I have just showed you. You'll thank me later. For your assignment, go ahead and customize the landing page of your course on your Thinkific school. When you finish the assignment, I'll see you in the next video.